Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:64 scale Koenigsegg Agera RS from Tamac Works. This car belongs to the Global 64 lineup, so it comes in this clamshell packaging. There are 4 pieces of sellotape holding the 2 pieces of the clamshell together. There's this card which has some important information regarding the car on the back side and a beautiful illustration of the car on the front side. The car is well protected in this blister packaging and there is a cardboard shipping container along with it. So this is the car which looks really beautiful in this white color. And as you can see, there are no rear view mirrors on the car. That's because they are present under the blister in this plastic cover. Tamac Works did this so that they don't get damaged during transit. The mirrors are attached on this piece here, so I have to cut them out and stick it in place. The mirror itself is painted silver but still looks good. So here's the car with the mirrors attached. The headlights are really well detailed and all the vents and air intakes also look really nice. There's the Koenigsegg logo and the shield in the middle, but they are not very clear. The front splitter and the canard wings have blue paint on their edges. This vent on the side of the front bumper does not have black paint in it. The vent behind the front wheel is also not really well detailed. But the wheels are really well detailed and there is the Koenigsegg shield on the center cap and you can see the brake disc and blue caliper behind the wheel. There is the Agera RS logo in front of the rear wheel and the RS1 logo on the side of the rear wing. The reflector behind the rear wheel is not painted. The back is really well detailed and as on the front, there is blue paint on the edges of the rear wing and the diffuser. The exhaust tip looks really nice and the tail lamps are also really well detailed. Moving on to the interior, which is finished in this blue color. It is not really well detailed, but still has a sufficient amount of detailing to it. The seats look really nice. The wiper is not separate and is molded in with the windshield. There is a black steering wheel, which is really well detailed. This is how the interior looks like through the roof and you can see the center console from here. Now let's take a look at the most interesting feature of the car. You can remove the engine cover to see the car's heart. It is well detailed and some parts of the triplex suspension and the exhaust are painted in silver. You can see the various other components as well. Here's the engine cover and as you can see, Tamac Works has missed out on the Koenigsegg Ghost logo. It simply slides in place and gets locked with the body. This is the chassis, which is not really well detailed, but it is made out of metal. Both the front and rear wheels roll freely. So here's the cardboard shipping container. And it can be used for a diorama as it has all the details as seen on a real container. Both the sides open and there is nothing inside it. And also, you cannot fit the blister inside as both of them are of different sizes. If Tamac Works had given a slightly bigger container, it would have been easier to transport and store the cars as the clamshell packaging takes up more space than this. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.